A tough journey undertaken by a few daring travelers to a remote corner of Ladakh, India's largest district on the Himalayas. A sight for sore eyes, Lake Somoriri lies at an altitude of 15,000 feet in the lap of the Himalayan mountains. Frozen in winter, the lake is accessible in summer when it becomes a haven for rare birds. Clear as crystal, a vast expanse of water stretches up to 35 kilometers in length and 10 kilometers in width. The lake is surrounded by some of the highest peaks in Ladakh and Himachal Pradesh. Chotans are cluttered around the lake in memory of Buddhist monks. This southeastern part of Ladakh is one of the most sparsely populated areas in the world. The nomadic Changpas are believed to have descended from the first Tibetan immigrants who were herdsmen. They drink chaza, salt tea with yak milk and yak cheese, a wholesome drink. Their tents are made of animal skin and wool. Even now, the main occupation of the Changpas is cattle rearing. The world's costliest wool from Pashmina goats comes from these herds grazed by the Changpas. In the winter, it is difficult for the herds to graze and for herdsmen to live in tents. Then, the Changpas shift to the nearby village Karzak and stay there till the beginning of summer.